बहुत सुंदर है, मैं पहली बार आया यार।
Hmm. So this is Gangadwar,
कौन सा?
the nice place. So you can see the pathway of Gangadwar. So this is the beauty of clarification. So this is the dramatic scenario of beauty of waterfall. You can see the small waterfalls. So now we will go there to enjoy the waterfall. So you can see the crow which is crawling from this jungle. So this is a beautiful scenery of the greenery. So this is the new pathway which we have discovered now, like Vasco da Gama. You can see the tremendous plants of cactus. You can see the flowering. That's nice.
मैं वहाँ पर जाऊँ?
So my uncle gets over the waterfall delights. Tremendous achievement of amazing moments. So he's getting back to the home. So these are the wow moments. This is a real heaven for the humanity by nature. You can see the blissful blessings from divine power. So you can see the jungles.
पूरा आइडिया आना चाहिए।
आइडिया है।
एक मिनट। अच्छा काम।
So you can see the very flowering moments. Tremendous. So this is the bliss